Here, I will show you how to completely delete a WordPress website from cPanel. First of all, log into your cPanel. Now scroll down and open File Manager. Once you are in your File Manager, navigate to your WordPress website folder. I've installed my WordPress in public HTML, so I'm going to opening public_HTML. And here you will find your WordPress website, all files. Now, before deleting all WordPress website files from File Manager, we have to find out our database, in which database we installed our WordPress website. To find out the exact database, here you have to find out this wp-config.php file. Now right click on this file and click on edit. Here click on edit. Once you are in this file editor, here if you scroll down a little bit, here you will find the name of the database for your WordPress website. Also here you will find your database username. So we have to delete the database and username. So go back to your cPanel again, and now this time scroll down and open MySQL databases under database section. And here we can see current databases list. So here, as you can see, my WordPress website database name is this one. So I'm going to copying this name, and here I'm clicking on the search box and pasting the database name and clicking on go. And then here we can see the exact database, and in this database I've installed my WordPress website. Now I'm just clicking on delete to delete the database. Click on delete database permanently. Once successfully deleted, go back from this page and now go back to your wp-config PHP editor, and here you have to copy your database username. So this is my database username. I'm copying this username here, going back to database section, and here scroll down, and here we can see current user section. So you have to find out the user. So press Ctrl F, and in the search box paste here your database username, and then here you will find the username. Click on delete and click on delete user. Once you successfully deleted your WordPress website database and user, now go back to your file manager, go to your WordPress website folder, and now here we have to delete everything. So select a file and then click on select all, and here you can see everything selected. Now click on delete and check this box to skip trash folder and permanently delete all the files, and click on confirm. And it may take some moments to delete all files from this folder. Once successfully deleted, I'm going to opening a incognito window, and let's try to open our WordPress website. And here, as you can see, my site successfully deleted. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.